Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Asia. Welcome to KarterChanelBeauty. This is going to be like kind of a vlog. Oh, hold on. Sorry. You guys couldn't look me in my eyes then. You know, I need glasses. I'm sorry. But this is basically going to be a vlog style. Yeah. We're just going to do an unboxing of some stuff that I got from Amazon for like the finishing touches on this business that I want to start, KarterChanelBeauty.com, baby. And just a FYI, typically I always record my videos when everybody in the house is like asleep. And I decided to record this video during prime time. So please excuse the extra noise if you hear any, okay? But let's just get into this. Here we go. I know y'all hear it. I know y'all hear it. I'm scared. Alright. This is all the stuff that I have in the box. So I didn't get much. So I broke. Where is it at? Hold on. So I broke my if you want to start YouTube and you need a like handheld tripod, get this, because I love this, but I don't know how I broke it, but I broke it. So like, you see how this one's like, these are bendable. This still bends, but they're like, see how it just, yeah. Can I help you?
I just can't get some draws, nigga. Damn.
Oh gosh. Okay, sorry, we're back. But yes, I basically got this so that when I am doing like vlog styles, because as of right now my phone is on a tripod, but yeah, get you this. And obviously everything is from Amazon. All right, what is this? Oh, these are my little mesh bags, my organza bags. Let's see. I think that might be big enough for the lashes. I feel like this might be big enough. This is one of my lip gloss. This is like my tester. This is strawberry milkshake. Hey, that fits. Yeah, that fits. That fits. So just in case you're wondering, if you like been following my page or, you know, been subscribed, I don't even say I want to go in a different direction, but I definitely want to focus more on entrepreneurship than nails, because if I'm being 110% honest and transparent with you guys, it's like they say as a nail tech, you'll make $1,000, $1,400 a week or whatever. And I'm not saying that that's not true, but I'm also saying that, you know, you may have to build your clientele. And I decided to go back to a shop. I love the shop. There's no issues with this shop. It's just that I'm doing everything to get clientele, and some people will come, some people won't. Like there's been so much going on, but I've been like so thankful that I've had people come in, enough people to come in to pay for my booth rent. And that's been great, but I haven't made any extra profit. And I know that everything takes time. You have to build your clientele. You know, I'm way more confident when my nails are lasting. Like, I'm good, but it's like I don't have that type of time. So it's like, while I'm building that, let me build something else. Because if I'm completely honest with you, I have more of a following, more of anything on YouTube than I do Instagram or Facebook, because I don't know, I just like y'all better. That's weird, but I do. I like YouTube better for whatever reason. I feel like I do well with video. I'm not really a picture taker, and I definitely don't do well with words. Like, no. So I just feel like video is my strong suit. So like, I'd rather stick with that than anything else. Okay, so these are my polymelers. I feel like these are, I don't like this color purple, but hey, we'll get with it. Hold on, let me take it out of the package just to show you one. Oh shit. I feel like it will get the job done for whatever I ship, and this. Yeah, it'll get the job done. Yeah, whatever. It's whatever. Oh, all right. And then so listen, you know, like I wanted to get all this extra stuff, like what is that, like what is that thing, the label printer and stuff like that, but homegirl pockets ain't sitting right for all that. So I was like, you know what, I already have a regular printer, so why not just get shipping labels and just print, like, you know, got what is that, you got improvise with what you got. That's what my grandma always used to tell me. So there we are. So I think I got the right ones, the right size, the right everything. If not, it is what it is. I guess we'll figure it out from there. And then damn, I got a lot of it. That's how they do me. Look at how they did it. Up front is all nice and pretty, and then in the back, look how they did that. That's what you call some half-ass shit. That is what you call some half-ass shit, for real. Like, oh damn. Okay, so I hope this is big enough, but here goes my poly mailers. I hope this is big enough for the boxes that I want to send. Put these in. I don't know, we're about to see. And then the last thing that I got is, well, not the last thing, second to last thing, is syringes. I wonder if I need pipettes. Damn. But basically I need these to make the last little bit of lip gloss. I need 2 more. My chocolate wasted, and somebody, hey girl, she commented on my last entrepreneur video and she gave me the suggestion that I should name my clear lip gloss All That. And it's all that. I'm like, okay, all that, like whatever. Then I thought about back in the day when you like, oh, you think you all that in a bag of potato chips. I'm like, this really could do something. So I think I'm gonna name my clear one All That. Thanks, girl. Okay, and then this is the last thing that I got. Okay, and these are some boxes. All that. That was my jam. And I love a man. I'm a true 90s baby. Judge me not. Judge me not. But I'm about to see, like, because I want to see if these boxes is, my husband, he's so freaking annoying. He gonna say, what you do? Order a bag of cocaine? I'm like, really? Cocaine? For real? Like, okay. What is his name? Johnny Tapia from, what's the thing called? Bad Boys 2? No, that ain't me. No. Between these scissors and this saran, they was not playing. But hey, I'll take this over that half-ass job of whoever packaged them damn, whatchamacallits. Okay, so after some time of struggling to get this box together, I realized that this box is too small. So my purpose of this box was just in case somebody decided to get zodiac necklaces from me. So if you're a real one and you've really been subscribed to this channel, I wanted to start a press-on nail business, and then realized that shit was not for me. No sirree, no sirree Bob. So this was what I was gonna sell my press-on nails on. But I'm like, it's really a jewelry box. I'm like, well, I don't feel like buying something else. I was like, oh, I can just put the necklace in here, package this bad boy up, and send it your way. But it doesn't fit. No way. So I think what I might do is, depending, I might do what I wanted to do, which was like, you know, put, this isn't my my lashes in the style Mimi. Okay, and what I might do is just like put the lashes and let's say some lip gloss, depending on how many you get, make it look pretty in here, and then just like fold it up and ship it your way. I feel like this might be a little bit better than the than this. Wouldn't you? And then you make it all pretty, put your little sticker on there. Oh, this might be a vibe. I might actually accidentally lucked up, and these definitely fit in this bag. I was about to say. So yeah, that's definitely, what's gonna call it? Do it like that. Boom, wrap it up like that. That's a vibe. Okay, that's all I got for you guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me some purple hearts. Hashtag Let's Be Homegirls in the comment section. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Toodaloo.